everybody, welcome to Life Sunny Lee, and it's week 33 of our decluttering and cleaning series. And if you've stayed with me this long, congratulations. You've done a great job, and I'm very, very proud of you. We've gotten a lot of rooms decluttered and cleaned, and we're now ready to finish the kids' rooms and the guest room. We're going to be doing those today. And what we're going to be doing, or this week, what we're going to do is declutter underneath the beds. Get everything out from underneath the beds and sweep it, clean it really well, and then declutter what you don't need and put what you do need back under. We're going to clean all the flat surfaces in both rooms. Dust them, clean them, declutter them. If you got a lot of small items, put them together as a display or put them in a basket, or just kind of make them look like they're not scattered over the place. Same thing with the shelves and the cabinets and the drawers. We're going to go through the drawers. Anything that's too small or doesn't fit their lifestyle anymore, we're going to get rid of. And we're going to clean up the floors. Shampoo them, clean them, and mop them if they're hardwood. We're going to get them cleaned up. And then we're going to make a checklist of what the kids can do to help clean the rooms each week. Just small little things. They can, every night before they go to bed, maybe just go around, pick up their toys, and put things back where they belong. And depending upon what kind of child you have, do they just toss things around? If they do, they need probably open bins that they can just toss the stuff in. If they're the type of child that wants everything neat, you might want to have some closed bins that they can lift up the lids and put the stuff in so it's out of the way and they don't see it. To have them make their beds in the mornings, they should be able to do that if they're old enough. And just make a little list. Check, depending upon their age and what you're trying to teach them, make a list of what they can do. And then reinforce it with little stars. Maybe if they get stars for a whole week, maybe take them out to eat or buy them a new toy or make some brownies or something that they really like to eat, a good dessert that they really like. Reward them at the end of the week, and at the end of the month, if they've got a whole month really great, then do something really big, like go out and take them to a movie. Do something special to reward them for cleaning the room and keeping the room nice. And we're going to do the same thing to the guest room. And that should not be as hard because it's a guest room. It doesn't get used that much. So just kind of go through it, dust it, put things away that are supposed to be put away, and just straighten it out. It should be very simple to do. Now, that's what we got to do this week. And that should get us out of the cleaning the kids' rooms and the guest rooms. So stick around and we'll see what we're going to be doing next week. Alright, we're going to work a little bit in this room. We're cleaning underneath the bed, and this bed happens to be a bed that has a bed underneath of it, so there's nothing underneath this bed, so I don't have to worry about that. And then we went through and we organized the flat surfaces, cleaned them, organized them a little bit better, and cleaned the floor around this area. And the collection is all nice and neat. So that's what we're doing this week. We're cleaning underneath the bed, we're cleaning the flat surfaces, and we're going through the drawers, and we're going through the shelves. So that's the only really room that I can work on. The other 2 bedrooms are being used by the boys right now. That was Chris's old room that Sean is using and Chris is still using. So we're still in the process of moving Chris from that room into his new room. So it's going to be a long time doing. I can't really do much else in there or any of the other rooms. Like I said, the boys are taking care of their own rooms. So that's all I have to do this week. So stay tuned for next week and see what I'm going to work on next. Believe me, I do have a plan for next week, and it involves my stuff again. So, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And bye, everybody.